Ding dong, hear the sound, little feet dancing round. Ding dong, love is found in this cozy happy town. Softest morning light appears, wiping sleepy little tears. Puppy stretching yawning ears, baby laughing conquering fears. Warm pancakes on the plate, starting early, starting great. Learning how to pour the syrup, puppy waiting, can't give up. Making quite a little bloop, love is in this sticky group. Light day, morning, sunny afternoons, bouncing to the simplest tunes. Puppy spinning like balloons, love is here and love is boons. Little ones and furry goons, happiest of all afternoons. Sharing toys and learning how to take turns and take a bow.